This is Tim here from Your Six Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to copy files and stuff and connect a pen drive to your Android tablet. So I currently have this connected right now, and you can take a look at this. I have an OTG adapter from my old Samsung S9 phone. So this one has been pretty nice to me. I've had it for about 9 years now. I loved my Samsung S9, but this will take USB to USB-C, and then I can plug in a pen drive or an external drive just like this. Now on my drive here, I also have the option on the back here for USB-C. This will just plug right in the bottom here, so I can just plug it in without an adapter. So this one's nice to have around, but I don't see many drives with this dual option, USB and USB-C. Now another adapter you can go and get is a USB to USB-C adapter. This one might only be like $2 or $3 on Amazon. If you go to a retail chain, some of these adapters might be like $10 to $20, like Walmart or something like that. So just heads up, if you can buy something cheap online, very easy to go ahead and get. So I do this all the time. I'll just get one of these. So let's plug this in, and then plug it in the bottom. And it'd be nice to see USB-C standardized, since we all use phones now. So let's plug this in. Now, let's go swipe up from the bottom. Let's go to Home here. Swipe up from the bottom. Go to Files. Now under Files, you can see your USB device that's plugged in. If it's not plugged in, it's probably formatted to NTFS. You want to go to your computer, take your USB drive, format it, go to the file system, and change it from NTFS to exFAT or FAT32. Then your Android tablet should be able to discover it. Now on here you can see some things like here's my PS4 video clips from Minecraft. Okay, cool. Now I can go back. I can transfer things over here to my drive very easily. Just go to images or something like that. Okay, I don't have very many images under here, but let's just take this image, go to the top right, go to copy to or move, and go to disk 20. Find a location, a folder you have on here, create a new folder, and go to copy here. So that's all you have to do. Very easy to copy it on over. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below.